Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got super exciting news to share with you. A few weeks ago I started a pottery course, and after 5 or 6 weeks of hard work, my creations are finally ready. I just got an email last night that my pots are ready and I can go and collect them today. So let's go and collect them together. I feel super uncomfortable vlogging in the street. Anyway, I'm almost there. I'm very nervous, almost having a panic attack. I'm praying for the killing gods that my pieces survive the firing. So let's go and see. Before I show you my pottery, I just want to say that I really enjoyed this course. It was nice to have a creative outlet for me, even if that came with some challenges. Okay, let's not talk about this. I absolutely hate this. It came everything that I don't want. It was so pretty until I glazed it. I don't know what went wrong, but the glaze is very, I don't know if you can see, but it's very patchy and awful. I looked at other people's pieces using the same glaze. It's also patchy and not looking nice, so I hate it. Let's now talk about... I love it. I'm so happy with this one. This one is my favorite. It's a little wonky, but I love it. It's unique, right? I was a bit naughty. We weren't allowed to mix glazes, but I did it anyway, and I don't regret it. I also made this teeny tiny mug. It's much nicer on theory. I imagine the glaze will be thicker, but it was very thin. All the glazes are very thin. I wonder why. But anyway, it's just a cup and it's usable. And I made it. I don't know what's this. I made this. Maybe I put a candle in it or something. Next we have those. I made 2 of them. Those ones turned well. This one a bit squashed on one side. Sharing the shelf with other people meant that some of my pieces, let's say, got cozy, you know? But I'm not mad about it. They turned good. Now let's talk about my bride and joy. I love it. This is the best piece I made. Did I say that this one, my favorite? No, it's like a one-piece jar. So you throw it connected, and then in the trimming process you trim it. I love it. The glazing could be more interesting, but this is the glazes they had, and I had to use what they have. But I made a jar. You know? Yeah. Not every day you see a beginner make a jar. Well, this candle holder turned out better than I thought. It's still a bit wonky, but it added to the charm. I wonder if it can hold the candle. Shall I try it? Wait a second. Please fit, please fit, please fit. Oh, it's too big. Oh, forgot to show you this one. I made this one for my daughter. It was her special request. It's cute. I don't know if you can not see this. It's a wonky handle. I'm so happy this one survived. It's a miracle considering what this mug cup went through. The handle got squashed also in the drying process. When I applied the underglaze, it's just like the whole handle collapsed. To see that it is a cup that is functional, can drink from it, it makes me so happy. Last, my biggest disappointment. I made this tin and 3 fishes. I made those 3 fishes as the chopstick holders, but I don't know. I made the whole project in half an hour. I had no time to wait for things to dry. The tin turned out like very wonky and the shape got very disturbed. Also, I had like a key, so it's like this old school tin, but the key broke. It cracked a little here. It's all part of the learning process. The fishes are like okay. I came with a better design already, so I'm not sad about this. But what happened to the eyes? When I made them, I had white dots with a black dot inside to present the eye, but it disappeared on 2 of them. I don't know why. It's all part of the learning process, so we are fine with it. Overall, I'm happy with what I made. The course was a lot of fun. It was great to have a regular creative activity. Sure, my pieces were a bit wonky and the glazes weren't my favorite, but it's all part of the learning process. If you have ever taken a pottery course, tell me about it in the comment down below. I would love to hear about your experience. Until next time, see you. Bye.